Next topic is the glomerular filtration. In this movement of water, most solutes in blood plasma across the glomerular capillaries. That means blood is filtering through the glomerular capillaries. So for this filtration, for the formation of urine, filtration is the first step. For filtration here, the blood is passed through the three membranes. Those membranes are endothelium of blood vessel, basal lamella which is present endothelium and podocytes, podocytes which leave the small spaces. See here in diagram. So this is the endothelium, red color, which is consisting of the holes, fenestration. Fenestre means holes. So endothelium ke holes untai. So blood, while it is passing through these blood capillaries, through this endothelium, small amount of the fluids and plasma proteins, if any is present, very smallly they will be come out. Second, blue color is the basement membrane which is present between the endothelium and podocytes. Epithelium of Bowman's capsule we are also called. So second membrane. So this second membrane is mostly prevent any plasma proteins which are coming out through this fenestration. They will stop here and re-enter into the blood. And only fluids or any soluble material is present, that is only allowed. Third membrane is, this is podocytes. These podocytes are forming the filtration slits. Ivi filtration slits anamata. Strainer laga. So which is allowing only fluid. So not allowing any plasma proteins, all those. So endothelial membrane, basement membrane, through the filtration slit, the blood will be filtered. So endothelium of blood vessels which are containing holes. Lamina, basal lamina which is present between the endothelium and the podocyte slits. And third one is the podocytes which leaves some spaces, small spaces. The name of small spaces filtration slits antaru anamata. Through these three membranes, the filtration will be takes place. Endothelium of blood vessel, basal lamella of endothelium and podocytes, whatever is present at center, and filtration slits of the podocytes. Now come to the net filtration pressure. Here filtration is happened by the simple pressure difference, no energy is required. So what are the pressure differences we required is three types of pressures. Glomerular blood hydrostatic pressure and capsular hydrostatic pressure, blood colloidal osmotic pressure. First one is the glomerular blood hydrostatic pressure. Whatever the water, plasma containing water is present in the blood, that is pressure the blood to undergo the filtration. What is the pressure here? 60 mmHg. That pressure is initiating the blood to undergo the filtration. And it will be opposed by the capsular hydrostatic pressure. So in Bowman's capsule, whatever water is present, that is opposing the filtration. How much it is? 18 mmHg. That is capsular hydrostatic pressure. Blood hydro, water pressure is helpful for the filtration. Capsular, Bowman's capsule hydrostatic pressure is opposing against to that glomerular hydrostatic pressure. And next, blood colloidal osmotic pressure. Plasma proteins like albumin, globulin, whatever it is present, they prevent the filtration. They oppose the filtration. So that pressure is 32 mmHg. So positively hydrostatic pressure, negatively these two are present. 18 plus 32, 50. So 60 undergoing the pressure, opposite by the 50. So 10. Net filtration pressure is 10. If net filtration pressure is present 10, then only urine will be formed, blood will be filtered. And next, how much urine is filtered? 1100 to 1200 ml per minute blood will be filtered, which is 1/5 of the blood pumped by the ventricle of the heart. and per day if you are taken per minute. So both the kidneys, how much filtration will be done is called the glomerular filtration rate. That glomerular filtration rate is 125 ml per minute. So what is glomerular filtration rate? Both the kidneys, how much urine they are forming is called the glomerular filtration rate. How much it is? 125 ml per minute. Per day 180 liters. Per day how much? 180 liters. So these points are very important. Positive pressure is the glomerular hydrostatic pressure. And blood vessels lo unna water pressure. How much it is? 60 mmHg. Capsular hydrostatic ante Bowman's capsule oppose chestundi. Enta 18. Blood colloidal plasma proteins also opposing 32. So net filtration వచ్చేసి 10 mmHg. It is compulsory. If 10 mmHg is not present, net filtration pressure, so blood will not undergo filtration in kidney. So ఎంత ఫిల్టర్ చేస్తుందమ్మా? 1100 to 1200 ml per minute. So అంటే 1/5 of the blood which is pumped by the ventricle of heart. Filtration by the both the kidneys per minute is called the, so that is glomerular filtration rate. How much it is? 125 ml per minute. Per day kochi 180 liters per day. 180 liters per day. సో ఇక్కడ మెంబ్రెయిన్స్ ఒకటి అండ్ ఇక్కడ ప్రెషర్స్ ఒకటి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అమ్మ. మెంబ్రెయిన్స్ ఏమో 3. సో ఏమేంటి? ఎండోథీలియం ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ వెజల్స్, బేసల్ లామినా అండ్ పోడోసైట్స్ ఫార్మింగ్ స్లిట్స్. దీస్ 3 మెంబ్రెయిన్స్ ఆర్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ద ఫిల్టరేషన్. ఫిల్టరేషన్ ఎలా జరుగుతుంది అంటే నెట్ ఫిల్టరేషన్ ప్రెషర్, దట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా, అండ్ హౌ మచ్ యూరిన్ ఈస్ ఫార్మింగ్ హియర్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్.